Did you know that sometimes the family member who gets treated the worst ends up owning everything in the end? This is exactly what happened to Marcus, the youngest son of a powerful shipping family. While his older brothers sailed expensive yachts and made business deals at their exclusive club, Marcus was stuck cleaning docks and fixing boats. His family mocked his love for marine biology, calling him irresponsible and unworthy of their maritime legacy. His father refused to give him yacht club membership or any inheritance, believing his older son's lies about Marcus being unreliable. But Marcus had a plan. After college, he used his marine science knowledge to find the perfect waterfront property and built an eco-friendly marina with cutting-edge facilities. Young, wealthy families flocked to his sustainable marina, abandoning the old-fashioned yacht club with its elitist rules and crumbling docks. Within 5 years, his family's precious yacht club went bankrupt from discrimination lawsuits and lost members. The ultimate twist, they had to sell their entire property to Marcus to pay their debts. The son they rejected now owned their legacy.